Okay, so today is Friday, January 24th. I'm actually filming this a little bit earlier than normal, but besides the point, today I learned that your environment has a lot of an effect on how you act and like your mood and like what you're doing. And I've learned this before, like in a focus sense. Like I try to have like all of the materials around me, like when I need to focus or do school or study or whatever, I want to make sure I have all my materials, less distractions, like in a good environment and helpful environment in that way. But today I learned that it's not just in like a work environment, it's also in like a social environment, just any environment really, and it really just changes how you act and how you think and how you like perceive what's going on, which like changes your actions kind of thing. Like today I went to this store and it was like kind of awkward because like we were the only people in the store and like it just felt weird and it made me like want to change my actions. I don't know, it's just an interesting idea because it's kind of like indirect change. Like it's not directly forcing you to do something, it's not directly like making you do something, it's just an indirect like vibe kind of thing, like the vibe of a place. That sounds so weird, but like it's kind of true. Because I guess we're just very influenced by things outside of us, like peer pressure, peer pressure and like just being influenced by things outside of us. And a lot of times it can be good, a lot of times there can be a good influence, but a lot of times there could be an unwanted influence. And I guess you just have to be able to recognize that and make sure that you're not being influenced in a bad way. I guess that's kind of what I learned today. Be wary of your environment, especially like the people around you that can influence you in a bad way that you might not realize. So you just have to be wary of that and try to make sure that you're not being indirectly influenced, because I think that can very easily happen. So don't change your actions based on just the people around you and the environment around you, right? Just stay you. I feel like this is kind of a repeated thing. Like, don't change your actions based on your environment and like the people around you, but also don't change your actions. I actually have this on my wall. Don't change your actions based on what you assume someone else is thinking of you, right? Don't change your actions, even if they were thinking of that of you. Don't change your actions based on other people unless it actually aligns with like your values and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just a short one today, but that is what I learned today. So your takeaway is to, don't change your actions, don't change your behavior based on an environment. Now, if you want to hack your environment in a way so that it does change your actions in a good way, so you can like focus or something, then that's great. But especially in social environments, don't let that affect you if you don't want it to affect you, I guess. That's what I learned today. If you found it helpful, then definitely hit the like button, leave a comment, share if you think someone else would find it helpful. Thanks for watching. This video is specifically recommended for you, so if you find that interesting, then definitely click on it. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.